Hello and welcome to the Fright Chronicles. My name is Ashley, and if you're into all things Halloween, horror, and spooky, then you've come to the right channel. Today is going to be an unboxing video. As we know, Target recently released their Hyde and EEK collection online, and I of course bought some items because a lot of it reminds me of 80s, 90s, 2000s style Halloween decorations, and that I grew up in the 90s, and so I absolutely love the 90s decorations. And the reason I bought them online is because a lot of times they sell out very quick. I remember a few years ago I really wanted that Dracula mask, and it completely sold out online, and none of my local stores even got it. So I was very disappointed about that. Again, so items sell out online and a lot of stores don't always get the full collection. So I wanted to get exactly what I wanted before it sold out. Now, not everything I ordered did arrive yet, but I will unbox the items that I did get. And a lot of them are wall decor because that's what I like to do a lot of, is hang things on the wall. So first up, now I do have a neon version of him, and then I have the other one that they had last year as well, but I just love the way they look. And you know, I'm just gonna build my own little paper skeleton army on the wall. So we've got him. I love the detail, and I will, at the end of this video, hang them on the wall so we can see how it looks. And I believe he was $5, so you really can't beat the price of these paper cutouts. And that's another reason why I bought it. I wasn't spending a lot of money, and these are items that you can store and keep for years and years. So we've got him, and next up, we have this one. This totally reminds me of 90s. Look at the colors. I just love it so much. And I can't wait to hang him on my wall downstairs. He's just so fun. The colors are so vibrant. I couldn't pass it up. Really excited to see how he looks once we take him out of here. And then next up, I have the Reaper. And he's the same design as the skeleton, the first skeleton. And I don't have a Reaper. I have a pumpkin, 2 other skeletons, or now I've got this other neon one as well with the honeycomb. But he just looks so cool. And I love Reapers. And of course, with the tinsel, I thought that would be a lot of fun as well. And then the last thing I have, which I mainly got for my son, but also for myself as well, is these stickers. Because they, again, remind me of 90s Halloween. So cute. And again, affordable. And my son loves stickers, and he can stick these on like water bottles and stuff like that. And I just thought they were so fun. So now let's go decorate my wall and see how all of this looks. Okay, so I finally got them up. Here's the honeycomb skeleton. He is so fun. And then this one you do have to put together. I had to tape this on the back and also tape the hands on. And the problem is it got bent when it was being shipped, and that is a huge issue with Target. Is they just throw stuff in and they really don't care. But I mean, I guess it's expected because it's paper. And then we've got him as well. And so once I get all of my other Halloween decorations out, I will add more, and then I've got empty space here that I can add, and then I'll probably add on this door as well. So this will be like my Halloween wall. That was just a short unboxing video because that's all I have received so far. I do have a few more items coming as well. I may do like a short unboxing, I'm not sure yet, but I just thought it would be fun to start putting them on the wall. Now I do have a few areas in my house that do have Halloween displayed all year long, but that wall normally does not, but now it's got Halloween. So if you like this type of content, make sure you join the Fright fam by slashing that subscribe button below. And until next time.